Okay, so this is a quadratic equation. We can actually solve quadratic equation just in a matter of 3 seconds. For example, x squared plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. Now, where your I should be is this 20 plus 20. Then, what two numbers that can multiply themselves to give you 20, but when it is added, it will give you 9. It is 5 and 4. So it means that your x equal to minus 5 also equal to minus 4. This is the answer. It's as simple as this. But if you want to expatiate it, you cannot say x squared plus the two numbers is 5x plus 4x, because it is plus here, plus 20 equal to 0. Then you take common factor, x times x is equal to x squared. Then x into 5, x will take care of x equal to 5 plus 4 bracket 4 into 4, 4 will take care of 4 remaining x. Then 4 divided by 20 will also give you 5. So this and this, they are the common factor. So x plus 4, then x plus 5. These are the common factor. So x plus 4 equal to 0. X plus 5 equal to 0. Then x equal to, when you move this 4 into the other side, it will become minus 4. Then when you move this 5 into the other side, it will become minus, equal to minus 5, which is the same thing as what we got initially. Very simple. Very, very simple. Now, for example, when we say x squared minus x minus 6 equal to 0, which two numbers that can multiply themselves to give you 6, but when it is added, it will give you 1. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then 3 minus 2 will give you 1. And they don't need to write 1x, but you just know that the coefficient of x here is equal to 1. So if you want just to go through the first method, you can just say that x equal to plus 2, then x equal to minus 3, x equal to plus 1, x equal to minus 3. And if we want to expatiate it, we cannot say that x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Then x takes care of x minus, this is 3, plus 2 takes care of 2, x, this is minus, you put your minus sign, 2 divided by 6 equal to 3. So x plus 2, then the common factor is x minus 3. So x plus 2 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2x equal to plus 3, which is also the same thing as what we got initially. So in a situation whereby you are in the WAEC hall, you don't need to follow the long process. For example, now if they give you this in your WAEC exam plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0, just look at this 12 here. You're looking at this 12. What two numbers that can multiply themselves to give you 12, but when it is added, it will give you 3. It is 4 and 3. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So your x equal to minus 4, then x equal to minus 3. This is your answer. So you don't need to expatiate before getting your answer. But if you feel like expatiating, you can now do it like this. And s square plus 4x plus 3x. 3 plus this is equal to 7. Then plus 12. So x will take care of x. Then x times x is x squared plus 4. X will take care of x here. Then plus 3. 3 takes care of 3 to remain x. 3 into this, it will remain 3 divided by 12 is to be 4. So x plus 3, then x plus 4. So x plus 3 equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to 0. So x, this cross here, it will become minus 3. Then for this one, when 4 cross, it will become minus 4. So that is the answer. Thank you very much. It's very simple. Quadratic equation is very simple.